Hello everyone. This program is MUEU CAPS online learning as part of the BioSAP curriculum. My name is Kinsui Wu. I am your new teacher in BioSAP 621. I hope you already learned the basics of statistics in previous lectures. Today, I'd like to talk about introduction to R and visualization of data. I divided my talk into three main parts. Is everybody ready to start? First of all, we should know what is R. R is a statistical software and also a programming language. We can manipulate, analyze, simulate, and graphically display the data in R. Next, why use R? R is free open software and may be used as a calculator. So we can get the software update easily and regularly. It is available on all platforms including Windows, Mac or Linux like that. R also has nice graphics and visualization. There are many choices in the graphical user interface GUI of R. R will handle a variety of specific analysis. R can be extend the dataset package. Now, we've learned one use R. So, R must be installed on your system. If it is not, go to the home website of R and follow the installation instructions. And then choose the right operating system. After installation is complete, click on the R icon on your desktop to begin the program. At this point, your screen should have an R prompt on it. This is console window, also called the command window. You can type comments after the prompt and R will execute your command. The right one is R editor window, also called script window. Collections of commands can be edited and saved here. When you don't get this window, you can open it with Find New R script. So, let's get started working in R. Are you with me? As I already said, R is a calculator. Of course, R has the basic mathematical operators. The others are logical, relational, and assignment operators. Another important one is comment operator and symbolize the hashtag. It means a comment for the source code easier to understand. Anything after hash on the line is ignored and skipped by R. If you need more information, please go to the website. Before importing the data to R, you should have the data ready. R can import data from almost any source, including text file, Excel spreadsheets, statistical package, and so on. When you type in the command window, make sure that the slash are forward slash and that you don't forget the apostrophes. To tell R that something is a character string, you should type the text between apostrophes. And R is case sensitive, so make sure you write capitals where necessary. Do you follow me? Next, R can do many statistical and data analysis. They are organized in so-called package or libraries. To get a list of all installed packages, go to the package window or type library parentheses in the console window. If the box in front of the package name is ticked, the package is loaded and can be used. To make the best of the R language, You need a strong understanding of the basic data types and data structure and how to operate on them. Everything in R is an object. R has basic data types including character, numeric, integer, logical, and complex. Data structures are very important to understand. Dealing with object conversion is one of the most common sources of frustration for beginners. R has many data structures including vector, matrix, array, data frame, list, and so on. Hello, it's a quiz time in my lesson. So, I hope you are happy to answer my question quiz. If you have a Kahoot account, you can join with Gameping. If you don't have, it doesn't matter. You click the link to enter my quiz easily. Are you okay? 1 minute to finish my lecture. May I say this is not cover the whole concepts of R. So, I will post this video on my Google Classroom. You should try to listen, repeat and repeat. And more available information will be also on my Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please contact me, Kinsweu at bmwunit.edu.mm. Thank you for your attention. See you later.